Ooh.
Hey,
Okay, today, fellas, we're gonna do Panko, the plain. You can use the other stuff that has like Italian or whatever in it, Italian seasoning, but I wouldn't. Just get the plain and 1 can of corn, cream style, 4 tubes of Panko, they're 8 ounces a piece, so 4 of them is obviously 2 pounds. 8 times 4, you know. And then we're gonna use some blue grape today. That way you can actually see the Panko inside of a white bucket. Because if not, it'd just be white Panko inside of a white bucket. But we'll get to it. I'm gonna hand it off to my tripod. Alright. First, just add in your Panko. Like I said, just 4 tubes, 8 ounces a piece. 2 of these is a pound, so 4 of them's 2 pounds. And it should only take 1 can of cream corn. If it gets too dry, you can just add some more cream corn. And if it gets too wet, just save a little bit of Panko. Just a little bit. That way, if it's too wet, maybe that'll dry it out a little bit. Just make you like an indention. Pour your corn in there. This is cheap too. I think these are $1 something a piece. Corn's obviously 40 cents a can. Then you can use Jello if you don't have flavoring. You can use Jello or McCormick. We're just gonna do like I don't know, 2 ounces of flavoring.
2 shots of vodka.
It should be ready to throw fairly quick. Give it a good mix. Make sure you get all your dry spots. Alright, we're gonna let that sit about 10 minutes. Let it soak up some of that corn. Come back, see how it's packing, all that good stuff.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes and we've let it set up, let the bread soak up some of the corn and flavoring and all that good stuff. Alright, we're gonna pack it and see how it's breaking up. Remember, always dampen your hands. Grab us a good handful. Don't pack it too hard because it's might not gonna want to break. Just give it a few good squeezes. Now it might want to float when you first make it because it's obviously bread, but after it soaks up everything and gets in the water, anyways, your weight and hook and all that's gonna weigh it down anyway. So. Now, like I said, it's floating here, but obviously with your weight, hook, and you see it's already sinking, it's gonna go all to the bottom. And you can see the stuff swelling up. You see how big of a ball that was? Just wait till this breaks up and see how big of an actual pile of bait it is on the bottom of the lake. Like I said, I didn't pack this a lot because I wanted it to break up. Now, obviously, I could pack it harder and it would took longer to break up. And you see how big of a pile that was. You see, I'll do another one. Pack it harder this time. Say you having to, you want to throw it a little further or whatever it may be. Give it a few more good squeezes. You see that old one broke up in what, 30 seconds? Because I didn't pack it real hard. You can see this one. It's already taking a lot longer to break up. But I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I know I can see it here. It's actually swelling up as it soaks up some of the water and expands. But like I said, you can see it's floating obviously, but with your hook and your weight and all that, it's going to be on the bottom of the lake. But just go over the ingredients again. Plain Panko in a can. You can get the bags if you can find it. But this recipe right here is 4 8-ounce cans of Panko, which is 2 pounds, 8 ounces a piece, and then 1 can of cream corn. And like I said, it took about 10 minutes to set up. It's packing fine. If it dries out a little bit, you can put a little corn in it, help it out. But now you can see the one I didn't pack very tight broke up fast. The one I packed a lot tighter is breaking up about how you would want it at the lake. You know, I mean it's about on point. It's gonna be about 3 minutes to break up. But don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe button. Leave any comments on future videos you may want to see, any baits, anything like that. Just let me know and I'll try to make a video on it. Appreciate it.